everyone, welcome to Recipe Line. How y'all doing? Peppermint stew is a stew commonly eaten by the Yoruba people of West Africa, Nigeria. My sister makes the best peppermint stew ever. Her stew is simple, delicious, and budget friendly. So I asked her to show us how she makes it, and she agreed. Please kindly drop a comment in the comment section to say thank you to my sister. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. A pot on medium-low heat, add in some palm oil, chopped onions, and fry for a few seconds. Add in pepper mix. This pepper mix contains onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, popularly known as rodo in Nigeria, red bell peppers, popularly known as tatase in Nigeria. Fry it for a few minutes until the oil separates from the pepper like you are seeing in this video. Add in some smoked or dry fish. Then add in some chopped pomo. Pomo is made from cow skin, and in Nigeria, our government is currently working on eradicating the production of pomo to elevate the production of leather, which in turn elevates and improves the economy. So probably very soon Nigerians will stop eating pomo. I don't know what the plan of the government is. What's your thoughts on this? Do you think that the government should actually go through with the plan, or you are really going to miss your pomo and you don't want the government to go through with the plan? Drop a comment in the comment section to share your thoughts on it. And add in some iru, also known as locust beans in Nigeria. Iru is gotten from African locust beans tree, and it has a whole different flavor to this recipe, so you must add iru. You cannot make this recipe without iru. Then add in your powdered crayfish. Mix and combine properly. So for this recipe, you don't need to add so much seasoning because all the things we are adding elevates the taste of the food. So don't be careful with the amount of seasoning you add. You just need to add a little bit of seasoning cubes and a little bit of salt. Sometimes you might not even need to add seasoning cubes and salt. One tip to ensure that you do not add too much seasoning is to wait a bit, let the all the things you've added combine properly, then you taste it before adding your seasoning and your salt. To cook for a few minutes and serve with a plate of white rice. It tastes so yummy. If you eat this farmer stew with white rice, you would not want to eat rice any other way again. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment in the comment section, subscribe, please subscribe. If you've not subscribed at this point, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification, and most importantly, share with your family and friend. Always remember, everyone deserves a treat.